the past, I lose money in my investment. My name is Winter. I'm helping company to do the tendering and bidding to win for the project. The thing motivate me to do the investing is try to achieve the financial freedom in the long run, because I've been doing my work for past 24 years. So I want to try something new. In the past, I lose money in my share when I do the investment. I just go in blindly without knowing the detail of the company. By attending the Cayden class, right, I need to articulate what is the intrinsic value, how to purchase the share in the good price, grow and have the future. He opened my mind in terms of understanding how to do the investment in the very detailed manner, like SEGA, search, evaluate, gauge, and assess. So from here, you know how to purchase good and potential company for your investment. I definitely recommend the VIP to my friend because I think Cayden is a very sincere guy. He's taught a lot of knowledge to us based on he past 20 over years experience. So definitely at this moment, I had 2 friends already signed up with the course in the coming September.